Welcome you all to How to Create Zero Waste Birthday Party. My name is Somi, and today I am very excited to take you through the journey of talking about different ways that we can cut down our waste, from invites to the thank you cards. I hope you enjoy. Before we move on, I would like to tell you a little bit about myself. My name is Saumya Parthasarathi, and I am from India, southern part of India, from a place called Mysuru. I have a bachelor's degree in computer science and engineering and a master's degree in sustainable solutions from Arizona State University. I have work experience in IT industry as a developer, technical consultant, and a business analyst. Regarding zero waste living or lifestyle, I have experience planning my son's birthday parties and a few other friends, close friends' birthday parties to make it zero waste. I also volunteer at few Indian events to try and make them as less waste generated as possible. The reason I'm interested to make this video is to collaborate with people. Since this issue is a very challenging issue and there are many different aspects to the solution, one way that I am interested to do is through collaboration. Spreading the knowledge that I already have, also working through the different ways that we can cut down on the waste generation, going back to the source of where it comes from. I hope you all enjoy, and I look forward to your comments, feedback, or question.